Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best medical glue is probably one of the most innovative advancements in wound care, offering a convenient and effective alternative to traditional methods like stitches or bandages. This video will dive deep into the world of medical adhesives, exploring their applications, benefits, and how they can revolutionize your approach to minor cuts, lacerations, and surgical incisions. We'll explore the science behind these adhesives and help you understand why they're becoming a go-to solution for both medical professionals and home use. Number 5. VOCH GALA Double-Sided Fabric Tape. Introducing VOCH GALA Double-Sided Tape, your secret weapon for a flawless look. This tape keeps your outfits perfectly in place, so you can focus on enjoying your day. This hypoallergenic adhesive is designed with sensitive skin in mind. It provides a secure hold without causing irritation, and it removes cleanly without leaving any residue. The pre-cut strips make application quick and easy. Simply peel, stick, and you're ready to go. Perfect for any situation, from a quick fix to a special event. This tape works best on common fabrics like cotton blends, polyester, and spandex. It's the perfect solution for keeping your clothes in place, discreetly and securely. VOCH GALA tape comes in 2 lengths to suit your styling needs. Whether it's a small adjustment or a more involved fix, it offers reliable performance. What we like? This tape discreetly holds your clothing in place, preventing wardrobe malfunctions. It's perfect for those special occasions when you need a little extra security. If you are looking for a gentle, skin-friendly solution for keeping your outfits perfect, you should consider this. What people say. The glue is easy to apply and dries quickly. It creates a strong bond and effectively closes small cuts and abrasions. The applicator tip allows for precise application. Number 4. Bactine Max Liquid Bandage with Lidocaine. This liquid bandage acts like a second skin, shielding cuts and scrapes. It helps keep the skin clear from infections, making it ideal for minor wounds. It provides maximum strength over-the-counter pain relief. Unlike regular bandages, it is formulated with lidocaine for immediate pain relief. You don't have to slow down because of a minor wound. This liquid bandage stays flexible while providing complete coverage, acting like a second skin. Don't let cuts and scrapes ruin your day. This first-aid antiseptic liquid bandage provides crucial wound care fast. It kills 99.9% of germs associated with skin infections. For over 70 years, it has been the go-to choice for families. It's safe for adults and children 2 years old and up, providing reliable first aid. What we like? This liquid bandage not only protects your cuts and scrapes but also provides pain relief with lidocaine. It acts like a second skin, allowing you to stay active while your wound heals. If you need a fast-acting, pain-relieving solution for minor injuries, this is the one for you. What people say. It's perfect for hard-to-cover small cuts, scrapes, and abrasions, providing invisible, flexible, and water-resistant protection with zero traditional ouch. The 4% lidocaine provides noticeable, quick-acting pain relief, often before the liquid dries. The brush applicator is precise and allows you to cover just the right amount of skin. Number 3. Absolute Support It Stays. Roll-On Body Fixative. This amazing adhesive is designed to keep things in place. It's flexible and comfortable, so you won't even know it's there. The roll-on applicator makes it easy to apply. It provides complete comfort and allows for flexibility of movement. It stays. Can hold up almost anything that may slip on your skin. This includes support stockings, surgical belts, and even wigs. Simply apply a small amount to the skin to hold the item in place. It's not irritating to the skin, ensuring a comfortable experience. This hypoallergenic roll-on adhesive helps items stay in place securely and comfortably. It's also odorless and easy to wash off. What we like? This roll-on adhesive is designed to keep various items securely in place, from stockings to medical devices. It's easy to apply and comfortable to wear, so you won't even know it's there. If you are looking for a reliable solution to keep things in place, you should consider this. What people say. This glue stays in place for a long time, isn't sticky, and doesn't leave any residue. It really does keep them where they belong. All day long. The glue works fantastic and releases with water. Number 2. Sutures Butterfly Bandaids, Emergency Wound Closure Kit. This kit offers a closure that's 8 times stronger than traditional methods. It protects the wound and keeps it securely closed, even when you move around. This wound closure is 3 times faster than sutures. It saves you time and money, avoiding potentially stressful and expensive trips to the emergency room. No sewing is needed, making it easy and painless to use. It helps reduce secondary trauma and scarring, enhancing your comfort during recovery and removal. The closure strips can be tightened using 4 adjustable closures. This allows you to customize the tension across the wound, giving you precise control. The small package includes all the essential tools you need for wound closure. It's a must-have for any first aid kit, whether at home, in the office, or outdoors. What we like? These butterfly bandages offer a strong and secure closure, often stronger than traditional sutures. They are designed for easy and painless application, helping to reduce scarring. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to close wounds without stitches, you should consider these. What people say. The product works well. The design is user-friendly. The glue adheres effectively to the skin. Number 1. Transparent Film Dressing 4x4.75, Waterproof Bandages. This is a breathable and comfortable transparent film dressing. It allows the skin to breathe freely, promoting natural wound healing. The pre-cut design makes it easy to use and observe the wound. This dressing has excellent waterproof performance, perfect for daily activities. You can confidently shower, swim, or bathe without worry. It effectively blocks out dirt and liquids. Made with a latex-free, clear polyurethane film, it avoids skin irritation. The dressing provides gentle and safe fixation. It doesn't stick to the wound upon removal, reducing pain. This versatile dressing protects abrasions, cuts, and minor burns. It's also suitable for post-operative incisions and tattoo aftercare. It's easy to carry and a must-have for first aid kits. This dressing can be used as a medical fixative, but not directly on open wounds with excessive exudation. Always peel it back gently to avoid tearing the skin. Contact customer service if you have any issues. What we like? These transparent film dressings are waterproof and breathable, making them ideal for various uses, including post-surgical care and tattoo aftercare. They are also hypoallergenic, ensuring gentle and safe fixation. If you are looking for a versatile and protective dressing for wounds, you should consider this. What people say. The product is easy to use. It works great for small cuts and scrapes. The glue dries quickly and forms a strong bond. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.